How to redeem PlayStation gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'll be showing you how you can redeem PlayStation gift card. So in order to redeem your PlayStation gift card, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your PlayStation. And after that, you'll be taken to the home page, which is directly going to look something like this. And here you need to go ahead and tap on the start button or the store button located in the top left hand side corner. Next page is going to take you to this sort of interface, so where you have to go ahead and tap on redeem code. And after you tap on the redeem code button, that's going to directly take you to the redemption page, where it's going to ask you to provide in the 12th-digit voucher code or the prepaid PlayStation card number. And if you're sure about it, then just click on the continue button located right at the bottom, and as soon as you've done that, you've successfully redeemed your PlayStation gift card. So in this way you can redeem your gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.